Hello everyone. In this video, uh, I actually going to improve this, improve the UI of this tool. This is anonymous chat, so you can like chat here. So this actually is a not non-functional tool because like it was made by vibe coding a while ago in another site of me, like in this site. If I go to anonymous chat, like it does work. Like I can post messages here and it give me a random name based on my IP, and also remember my IP with mapped with this name. So this is cool, and this actually work and actually keep many of secret things of me here. So this is kind of a personal project. I mean, this is kind of a personal use project. Like you have something to like share someone, but you don't have any kind of anything like you can share, like you did not have any account, any WhatsApp accounts or any messenger accounts or anything logged in, and you don't want to log on them. So I just made this tool so can I share text easily. In future actually I'm going to add media and document upload too, so it will helps a lot then whatever. So this actually worked, but this is the like WordPress version of the tool that I actually made by Copilot, and but this doesn't work. Like if I say hello and post message, it should not be there. And there is actually another problem is like this is not consistent. Every time I refresh, this like change. So I don't want that. I like want to assign IP with the mapped with this name and this to be working, and the UI and a better UI. So what I'm going to do is like first making this thing functional. First let's check what's missing. That's why this isn't working. So I have the code. Actually I did not open the terminal yet. So let's do that. PulpYard like ending. If I go to like this is in my theme, so this is like tools shortcode, and this is the chat. So this is the file where everything I have about the chat. So I did not ever read this code, so I have to check it now. Let's see what it does. Is like create a form. We don't want that. We don't want anything random here. I mean anything universal, something like that. This would be like peer chat. Can I just chat? Yes. See, so this is for getting user IP. This is users table in a custom table. So I'm assuming the custom table is not here. So it might be like I mistakenly forgot to like migrate them. So let me check first. Wait a second. Let me check if this table exists or not. What this says is like PFP chat users and PFP chat messages. So this is my database. I have like PulpYard here. So you can see there is no table called PFP. So I actually missed the the migration code. It should be here somewhere. So let me check if I can find it. So you can see the migration code is actually here. So this is inside like plugin activate code. Yes, I'm not quite sure about this, like this hook. So what I'm going to do is like creating an option, like load it in to init for one time. I know this is not an ideal way, but I'm doing it for myself, so it is what it is. Add action init. Yes. So if I refresh, that table should be like added. So now if I do like remove this one, and the chat should work now. If I say hello, now you can see it's working. So let me see what can I do now. So the chat is working. Our first goal objective is completed. So now we have to like first improve the UI. So for improving, I am going to get help from our like God slave. Sorry, our AI slave, Mr. Claude. So I have a chat with him where we discuss about how to improve UI of this site. So you can see. So I'm just asking in this session. So I'm asking him in this session, so he knows what my site, how my site works. Actually, you're out of messages for 1M Forge. Let's get help from GPT boss. Yes, he is the only one left. It's actually got limited. Yesterday I was like working, whatever. Wait, I guess I can send message. Like this. Let's see what it says. Yes, it's working. Same pattern as is need start theme plus orange accent. Here is what the page background. So the page background is going to like the other tools. Like I have, if I open a random tool which I have like improved the UI. So I'm going to take background of this. Let's do that. First of all, I'm going to like make this container like fit the container of the site like here. So let's do that first. So I'm going to like open the chat. Where is it? Here it is. So I hope there will be a container like so. So this is a container, and I want the inner of this container. Shit. Let's see. Let's say PulpYard container inner and paste it here. Give it a simple like, but it had the indent already, whatever. So I can like manage the container from here. So I should remove these things from container. I just should have the background like so. So background will be like this. I refresh. Actually, don't set. So this is the background, and let's fit the container. Like get the container styling from here. I hit this. And let's get the rule and like paste them here. I do. So you can see the container is not fit, and this yes, everything seems a little bit better. And then like now let's make this little bit better, like the text diff one. Let's do that. Should have a heading. This is h2 inside like container. So let's give it a name. Plus PulpYard title. So as I'm adding CSS in the same file, so it doesn't matter if I use the prefix or not, but I'm doing it in even if I'm doing that, but it's not so necessary, and I'm not even maintaining like everything. I'm just adding my CSS. Like what I can do is like, let's see what it does. I guess it's better. So what typography is taking by default? I don't want that. I don't want like pop-ins. What I actually used in other tools. Let me check first. It's Inter. So it's get Inter from Google Fonts. Now let's import the font, and in the container, let's say font family will be like Inter sans serif. I don't think I made any mistake. Let's see what it's saying here. Seems better. So where I have my h2, I don't want this thing, so I want them in a row. So let's do that. Let's go like PulpYard toolbar. Okay, let's say P. So let's do some styling from our depth tool. So I might do something wrong or stupid, but it is what it is. Let's justify content space between twin flex flow raw wrap. So this is better, and yes, could I do more? Let's apply this in username box as our Mr. Claude boss says. Let's try to do that. This is much better because it's like goes with my theme, and what it does say, success message, replace green with dark. So there is a success message, I guess. I don't know how it is, like success message. The color border, not the border. So remove this maybe. What can I do more? Let's get the CSS first. So I don't like mistakenly delete them. What else I can do? Wait, what? So I don't need the background, the color, the padding, border radius, and I guess that's it. Let's refresh the chat. Here we go. And what does our little slide says? Text area and from text area. So the background like this. So let's improve it to this is the chat form. So do that and go home. I don't need the background, not the padding, not the border radius. Let's see. Yes, and what about the text area? Let's change that to it's the background. I don't need the border, not the border radius. Okay, that's it. Let's see how it does goes. Yes, it's much better. Now let's improve the focus state to border color to this one. So if I say Yes. Now what about the button? Post message like blue to orange. So post message button. Oh, these buttons. So I'm just grabbing this button styles. So actually I can't. Not that easy. Let's take this because it's like having maybe from not every style in the same role. So I don't want this. I just want a simple button to copy styles like this one. I say select what. Yes. Okay. And I'm going to move this button in the right. So like margin. Let's make it like display block with the like fit content and the left margin from the left side to auto. So margin left auto. Yes. And I'm just I don't want the hover and other state to change the color. So what I'm doing is like hover, focus, active, hover, focus, and active to be the same style. So this is better. And now let's see what it does say more, like design messages heading. So this heading to be like this style. Let's take that and apply that here. So there is no any specific role, so I'm just going to like add h3, add a class PulpYard send messages header like so close by. Instead of RAM I want like pixel. Yes, this look much better. And message card, this should be like what my boss says. So let's do that. Let's like merge them first. Like what it called message item. This is just like chat message item. Chat message item, like item, I don't know, like item. So let's give this some style. I don't want the background, the border radius, the padding. So this like becomes new. Let's refresh and see. Yes, and the username, it gives some color to like give a username. Let's use that instead of that. So it's orange. The tag, yes, this is the meta. Font size and the color. Let's see. Oh, this is not what I wanted actually. How we design the tag. It's like span. Oh, this is like the default tag. So yes, and for message body, the color would be this. So it's this item will be like this one. And what the for the times 10, it will be like this. Okay, so this is what like he suggested, and I actually see a bug here still, like the spacing. So if I type this, so there are some spacing are coming along with. I have to deal with that. The border is not okay, whatever I am leaving it as it is. Now let's fix the spacing issue. Let's see what's like causing the spacing issue. Down. Hi. Let's see what it says. It's just a hi. There is no like white spaces. The and slash. If I do like down, just high. So in the database, it's also should be high. I mean, no extra white spaces. But in rendering, it's like showing some extra white spaces for some reason. Now let's figure out what's wrong with that. So is this caused by like the ESC HTML or what? I don't know why there is stop with spaces. It's like giving this issue or what? Well, there is there is nothing like happen as there's no hot spaces. Like this is actually a terrible UI mistake. So if I do that, this should be resolved. Yes, you can see. So I can like if I have anything to like share from my old like that PC where I did not log in any account and I don't want to log in there. So I can just copy the code from anywhere and like post it here. So I can get it later from here. Like this is like what I pasted. It's not, but it should be. Whatever. Oh, this is like completely broken. Shit. This is the HTML. So I'm not using the HTML escaping. Oh, I just removed it in a second ago. HTML not present. Like you can see, this is what I pasted. There is anything extra, and this looks better. So what I'm going to do next is like adding a like adding support to upload documents and to save my like to save my server cost. I'm going to like delete them in a period of time like 1 day or so. So let's hope it goes well, or I have to limit it only text, but whatever. This is it like day 4 of improving my UI UX by doing something. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.